Hey, my name's Anna Dolan, and I am going to be presenting a writing spelling strategy from Reading Rockets. It is called Trace, Copy, Recall. So the first step in this process is that you make a chart like this on a regular piece of paper. You fold it in 3 columns, and then on the top you write trace. On the left-hand side, in the middle, you write copy, and on the right, you write recall. And then you will choose 3 or 4 spelling words you want the student to focus on, and you will make a dot outline for them to trace in the trace column. The next step is to fold over the recall section so that only the trace and copy sections can be seen. Next, the student will say each letter as they trace each letter, finishing with the entire word. So for example, as they trace C, they will say C, A, T, cat. The next step is for them to move to the second column, the copy column. They will say the word again the same way, using each letter first individually and then the word as a whole, and they will write the word on their own without tracing. Step 5 is the student will flip the paper over to the recall section, and they will say and spell the word the same way as before and write it while it's fresh in their mind. And you want to make sure to be saying each letter just like before, because practice makes permanent and it's very important to the process. A few other things to keep in mind is that if there's an extra challenging word, something really tricky, maybe put it on the list more than once so that they can get a lot of practice in. Also, if the student's short-term memory isn't big enough to hold on to all 3 or 4 words before they flip over, have them flip over in between each word. Again, my name is Anna Dolan, and I was presenting this strategy that I found on Reading Rockets called Trace, Copy, Recall. Thank you for listening to my presentation.